Barry, boo!
One fine morning on Barry's farm, something amazing was about to begin.
Hi there, friends! I'm Barry the bear. Come with me on a farm-tastic animal adventure from A to Z.
A is for alpaca, fluffy and neat, with soft little feet. B is for bunny, so happy and sunny. C is for chicken, clucking all day in a feathery way. D is for donkey, hee-haw, hooray, it loves to bray. E is for emu, big and tall and loves to stroll. F is for frog, jump in the pond, then croak and yawn. G is for goat, it nibbles and climbs and sings and rhymes. H is for horse, it gallops with grace all over the place. I is for Indian runner duck, marches like a soldier, cluck, cluck, cluck. J is for jackrabbit, long-eared and fast, hopping right past. K is for kitten, cuddly and sweet with tiny little feet. L is for llama, spits with style but makes us smile. M is for mule, strong and cool, a farmyard jewel. N is for nightingale, sings at night without fail. O is for owl, hoots in the dark, a nighttime lark. P is for pig, rolls in mud and dances a jig. Q is for quail, tiny and quick with a curly tail. R is for rooster, wakes the farm, what a booster. S is for sheep, soft as snow with a gentle bar glow. T is for turkey, gobble gobble full of cheer, strutting proud all through the year. U is for Uriel, with curly horns and a mountain style. This sheep will make you smile. Oh. V is for vulture, wings spread wide in the countryside. W is for worm, wiggles low to help plants grow. X is for X-ray fish, see-through skin, that's a wish. Y is for yak, hairy and strong with a heavy pack. Z is for Zebu, with a hump on his back, moo moo to you.
And that's the end of our farm tale today. Barry the bear waves goodbye. Until next time, hooray!